welcome back to Hennessey Performance's YouTube channel. I am going to be doing another vlog. My name is Emma Royce. My husband is Alex. You probably see him on a lot of these YouTube videos. And my father is John Hennessey. So I feel like my role here is very unique, and I have the blessing of working with my husband along with my father. But anyways, back to the important stuff. I'm currently sitting in the 2020 Corvette C8. This thing is amazing. I just went on a very long road trip with my father from Detroit all the way down to Sealy, Texas. And I want to start it up for you guys to start off this vlog because the C8 has been super hot for us. We obviously added twin turbos to it just recently, so I know you guys are enjoying that. So let me start it up for y'all. Alright y'all, so this thing sounds so good. We are so excited to continue working on it and sharing that with you guys. So stay tuned on all of our social media platforms so we can share with you guys exactly what we're going to be doing to this Corvette C8. Alright, let's go take a walk in the shop and see what we've got going on here. Okay, so before we do a quick run through of what's going on back here in the shop, I want to show y'all tuner school and kind of what their day looks like today. So let's go.
By the time you were becoming like weak-headed or something like that, they've just been passing out. You still wouldn't asphyxiate. So, I mean, if you're going to do yourself in with nitrous oxide, you know, maybe shut the garage door and a whole bunch of it. Yeah.
Alright. What's up, guys? My name is James. I am one of the V8 technicians over here at Hennessey Performance. As you can see, this one's pretty far along. This is a very extensive build. It takes us more experienced techs that have done multiple of these, probably 4 or 5 full days to get one of these built. As you can see here, this one's getting pretty close to being done. It's got the supercharger bolted on. We're getting pretty close. When I say extensive, I mean everything comes out of these trucks. I'm talking, we pulled the transmission, the engine, the entire harness comes out from inside the firewall, everything. We custom make the wiring harnesses in-house, put it all back together, new transmission, new 5-liter Coyote V8 goes in these things. You know, obviously Whipple supercharger. This is kind of what it looks like as it's sitting in. We have one over here that's in the process of coming out now. As you can see, the entire front end has to come off. Like, it's no joke, these things are absolutely empty. It's a very extensive project.
Okay, here's another one of our technicians. He also works on Velociraptor V8. What's your favorite vehicle to work on besides a V8?
ZL1.
ZL1s? 1200? 1000?
850s or Corvettes for the 850s.
Okay. James, favorite thing to work on besides a Velociraptor V8?
That's a tough question. I built a lot of cool cars, but yeah, I would say probably an Exorcist. Exorcist are fun to build.
Or a twin turbo C8?
Or a twin turbo C8. I was a part of that.
That's right.
Hey guys, some of you know that I've been working on this build for a couple months. 2020 R8 convertible, R8 Plus. It's all done now except for the body panels. We're putting that stuff on today. I want to share with you guys some of the cool details now that it's all finished. So those 2 tanks that we made out of cardboard are now painted body color. They're installed. They hold 4 gallons of water combined to a heat exchanger up front. We have our custom intercoolers here. We also made in-house. All these pipes have been made in-house. Mounted our blow-off valves the way that we wanted to so that they could be seen through the grill in the rear. We've done all our lines in stainless. Used nice clamps on everything. All of our AN fittings in good working order. Looks real nice. Everything is black or polished in some way. Intakes pipes are polished. Intercoolers powder coated. Body colored tanks. The car sounds really good. Performed well on the dyno. Made 752 all-wheel horsepower, so we're really happy with that result. Baseline was 515 horsepower, so we picked up over 200 horsepower at the wheels. We're really happy with that. And the car is great. Drives great. Has no issues. We're going to put it back together do a little bit more testing, and send it to the customer.
So today we have somebody who's actually in person picking up their vehicle. And so we're gonna show them around the shop and then give them a little drive in their vehicle before they head out. So it's a really neat experience to get to know the customers. So I'm gonna show y'all kind of what this process looks like.
All right, you want to do the first startup?
Sure.
Oh yeah.
It's always exciting. Velociraptor 600 that is about to head back to the original customer. We spent some time upgrading it and we're super excited for it to go back to its customer so they can experience the upgrade. We love really getting to know our customers and just making them feel special and making this experience really special for them. So. Sitting inside this 2020 Lincoln Navigator and it looks so good. The customer just dropped it off and is here for an upgrade. So this Lincoln Navigator will soon be an HPE 600. We're super excited to get under the hood and upgrade this customer's vehicle.